Yo, what's up? It's your girl, Malumekazi, Wabashanizi.
Okay guys, sise-rank manje, kusha mall. Sise-rank manje. Ngiyogibela amatekisi aya eThekwini. Ubaba igela ngifonele. Uthi use-checkile in. She's waiting for boarding time, like she waiting for equality. Akazobhoda. So let's do it. Let's go. Yabona mfethu I feel like ngisikhathi sami sihamba kahle because uma yena kuthi i-flight mina ngifika eThekwini noma ishawu 7 ngisendleleni, hayi mfethu. Ishawu 7 ngisendleleni, hayi mfethu ngizokhava mfethu. Yabo? At least mfethu uma ethi yehla nje angifica sengikhona ngumfana. I'm waiting for my Uber and then like say airport and go. Yeah, airport. Yeah, King Shire for my Uber. Something there, airport. And if you're watching this to the spot, please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. I'm at the airport right now. Waiting for her. Please subscribe guys. Please subscribe guys if you're watching this to this point. What do you think about my outfit? I'm thinking of buying flowers guys. I don't know what do you think about that? There's white roses. My white roses. La ngasebenza ama-flowers, ama-flowers ngiyawazi khona lawa guys, flowers guys, I'm buying her flowers and guys, I know I'm gonna start sukwalungisa but lawa ngiyawathenga. Sibhale ukuthi estimated 15 minutes manje, yebo sibhale estimated 15 minutes. Hayo. Oh my baby, uselindile ubaby. Ubulindile. Guys, it's just landed guys. As you can see. Landed. Usulambile. Just send me a message usulambile guys. I guess sifikile. Yo ambile right guys. Yo. Yes.
Umnyama down.
Hey guys, I'm here.
Yo, I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired because now you have to remember that Thursday I knocked off at 8.
I guess I'm just better. I was like, I'm so busy.
Okay. Kulesine ngiphume ngo-8 emsebenzini and then ndafika ekhaya, ndafika endlini around maybe I'm still going to crash out or maybe not. There's literally nothing for where are those kids?
Angiyazi phela mbele. Angihlale eThekwini eMaritzburg nje now.
Wait.
How was the flight?
It was nice and all that. It was nice and all the yes, it was. But green. Obviously, the grass is green. The sky is blue. where's the glass ever blue? Why am I dumb, no? Hey. And then, but the doctor was so done with her. Gabby, what are you doing? Why have you ever seen a blue grass? And then I just looked at the window. Huh? But it was so.
Contemplating. Excuse me.
Don't worry.
What's in love?
Because apparently, I don't know. Okay, so they are from Cape Town, right? However, they are playing. I think it's cricket. They play for Itim Yalaba, right? So now, since they are coming here to celebrate, even from the last season, that I think they took the last season.
You coffee, it's strong.
It's whiskey. No? So yeah, but so celebrate because they won the last season. So celebrate after. Is it Zimbani?
Yeah, it's Zimbani.
Is it that? I don't know. I don't remember the name.
Zimbani. I think that is Zimbani.
These are the plug or no plug, eh?
When I go now, pose a coffee there. I'm actually posing a coffee there. What's it? Born. I thought about that, yes. I ain't going to get also color down, bro. What's the band in body? My phone wait cancel. Not like we are ring up. Ring. Hey, cancel. Hey, this girl is my god. She love.
This girl, she was in the same club. And you didn't get this year. She was actually training on TikTok for that. Wanting fuck back in brown. Wow. And then man.
In the bin my bunch so.
Yeah, you want. And then baby girl, I think I'm not sure if she's from Eastern Cape or somewhere in that side. I'm not sure about her. I don't even know her name. Okay.
I think they're trending as a boy now.
She was traveling to Mthatha, fucking budget brown. And I'm going to English. That is her. And then because I do not really know all my class.
So?
Argentinian chimichurri.
On the bed.
What do you want to eat?
But all the windows were 11, so all them are. Iphele hour. Ngiyafuna ukudecide usenze njani. Hour yonke. But are we going on a date?
Only for her to take the most simple option.
You? And I bengathi mina wrong and I'm giving out some options. So now, end up deciding ukuthi ngizithenga izindaba. Zonke izi-options zami. Futhi ithatha uyena benginikeza zona. Engayiboni. Mina ngiyibonayo ayimntamo sex mama. What's Shayito sithi baby. Oh my god. Yes, girl. Mama model. What phela?
Exactly. I have a full stomach. It is a class.
So guys, we're just getting ready now. I'm done about getting ready. I was in this for long. Shoni lang. Apheli. Uyocabanga ukuthi sekwenze konke. I wish like usu-operation because one of them is press food as ismasha kaloku. It's 10 people with food time. It's got people with food time.
Yes, two. And then when I forget, one of places. Look. And I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Madam has to match the baby. Oh,
Injani? Asus ni baby hair. Saya pergi dulu time. Oh yeah, YouTube also. Fiz bambeleira. Sabji. What's up, bro?
gang.
So we are here at Pick and Pay with my hey. Oh, siap. Kamu sih sangat lah. Looking for my snacking and to snacker, and then we're like yeah.
Because KZN makes it so.
Nah, buat 10 rand please. 10 rand about two. Work busy plastic more than it class. That's crazy, man. Kemarin.
21. You have e-catalog.
Ini ada phone ni. 20 rand two. Ni one.
No.
20 rand each. Say 4 rand. Ini nanti rand your should be is about 30 rand.
Okay.
Come to visit. Kan tu bawa fly ke bazar. Come to visit. Okay. Tu pun siapa tu kan? Ya, makin ada terus. Kan it's nuts. I gag. Oh yes.
What else do we need?
Kaso sibuwenzani lapha? Wenzani lapha?
No, bengizoba line. No, ngiyachaza. Bengizoba line and then ngibuza ama-app bengizobona move fast. If yebo move fast, uzophinda uhambe uyomaklanda bengakuyo. And then move fast.
Ngitshela ukuthi la amathili maningi la. Ithili yi-1 la kumele ayilinde la.
I didn't notice and one man ngiyozela manje. Ngiyozela. Yo, what's up? It's your girl, Malumekazi, Wabashanizi.
For the J. Yo.
And I'm tired, my bro.
It's very merkwaardig. It's Picket. Coming to Cape Town. You coming to Cape Town? She's very plump, guys. She's very plump. Do you like a good pies? A good pies.
I'm fine with them.
As in,
Please, I prepared myself. The way it gets better if I'm the one who's leaving, not when I'm the one who's leaving.
Okay. Guys, please subscribe lapho ke. Ayi kodwa bafana, suka.